Okay, let's take a quick ride here today on the 16th of November 2022. It's Suonotkontie. What's Suonotkontie?
Suonotkontie.
Suonotkontie. Yeah, I'll check the name in Swedish later. 6 decades beam. But we don't need a 6 AMC because it was a boring one. That reads is not very good, but one ride can take it. The same is K02027B, Amsler. Amsler, and it will be 20 years older next year, 2023. Yeah, best days flight versus 5 grams. It's going to be inspected in 2024 with windows.
Yeah.
And then folding in the doors. Should have been Koneam here.
Yeah.
Or Delta.
Yeah.
It was possible to choose them. Sadly, they didn't choose them.
Yeah.
Still have one example.
Yeah.
It's in Maunula, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa and Finland. Where the light rail line is being finished.
Yeah.
The Britasvägen was closest to the stop here, I think.
Yeah.
So that stop is the closest here, where you can see the example already now. And it's the stop is finished. 13.5 months away, it will open January 2024. So that's not so far. That's it.
That's